You can now create high-quality music videos using nothing but a single prompt. What you're seeing right now took me less than 5 minutes to make, and I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. I'm going to test 4 different methods for creating AI music videos so you can see exactly what each one does and when to use them. I'll walk you through this entire process, showing you what works best for different styles, and giving you the exact prompts that create stunning results every single time. To do this, I'm using a platform called OpenArt. If you want to follow along, I'll leave a link for OpenArt in the description below. First, let's head over to OpenArt. Once you're logged in, you'll be met with a lot of things happening on the screen, but what we want to do first is access the music video feature. You can find this right on the homepage by clicking Music Video or navigate to it through the main menu. This opens up their dedicated music video creation workflow where you'll see 4 different modes to choose from. I'll show you the final result of each tool near the end of the video. Let's start with the singing video option since this creates the most realistic looking results. Click on Singing Video and then just upload your audio file. You can use any song, whether it's something you created with Suno AI, a track you found, or even your own recording. For this example, I'm using a song I generated, but the process works exactly the same regardless of your audio source. Once you upload your track, you can select how much of the song you want to use. If you want to save credits, you can trim it to just the chorus or your favorite section. I typically recommend starting with 30 to 45 seconds for your first test to see how the system handles your specific audio before committing to a full song. The platform analyzes your audio's tempo, mood, and energy levels to create scenes that actually match what's happening in your music. Now you can either choose from OpenArt's pre-made characters or create your own custom character. If you want your character to always be consistent, I recommend creating one of your own, which is what I'm going to do. Click on the image icon on the left side to generate your base character image. This is crucial because having your own character means you can build a recognizable brand around your music videos instead of using generic faces that everyone else might be using too. Switch to the Flux Dev model because it creates incredibly cinematic looking people. Then write a detailed prompt like confident young pop star with vibrant pink hair styled in loose waves, bright expressive eyes, wearing a trendy crop top and high-waisted jeans, stage lighting, pop idol aesthetic, and professional photography. The key is being specific about facial features, clothing style, and the overall vibe you want. Generate a few options and pick the one that matches your vision best. I usually generate 4 images at once to give myself more options to choose from. I think I'll choose this one because it matches my original vision perfectly. Back in the music video section, upload your character image and give them a name. I'll name mine Annie. This step is important because you'll reference that name in all your prompts. For the scene setting, describe the vibe you want. Since we're going for that pop idol aesthetic, I'll write neon lit stage with colorful spotlights, concert venue atmosphere, vibrant pink and purple lighting, energetic pop performance setting. The more specific you are about the environment, the better your results will be. Instead of just saying stage scene, describe the exact lighting, colors, and energy you want to capture. Make sure to set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for that professional music video look. This is the standard format for YouTube and most social media platforms, so your videos will look professional wherever you share them. Under advanced options, turn on include B-roll shots, because this adds variety instead of just showing lip sync the entire time. This creates a way more interesting video with different camera angles, close-ups, and environmental shots that keep viewers engaged. Also, enable match video to beat, and this syncs each scene change to your music's rhythm, which makes everything feel more professional. Without this, your cuts might feel random or off-tempo. For the models, select Flux Dev and choose OpenArt Lip Sync for the video model because it gives the most realistic mouth movements. The lip sync technology has gotten incredibly good, and it actually analyzes the audio and matches mouth shapes to create believable singing performances. Now you have 2 options: preview storyboard and create full video. The second one needs around 3 minutes to render and costs way more credits, so I suggest choosing preview storyboard first since it's way cheaper and shows you exactly what shots it's planning scene to create. When you see the storyboard, you can edit individual scenes if something doesn't match your vision. Maybe one scene shows your character in the wrong outfit or the background doesn't fit the mood. You can click on any scene and regenerate just that part with a more specific prompt. This saves you from having to redo the entire video if just one or two scenes need to be fixed. Once you're happy with each scene, click on Generate Story to get your full music video. I'll show you exactly how this turned out in just a few minutes, and while this is generating, I should mention that OpenArt is currently running a $50,000 music video awards contest, where you can actually win real money with the videos you create. If you are already interested in creating a music video, this contest is a nice bonus where you have a chance to win. I'll leave a link for the contest down in the description below. Now let's try the narrative video mode, which is perfect when you want to tell a story rather than focus on a singing character. You'll see how this creates a completely different style of video when I show you the results later. Click on narrative video and upload your audio file. This mode is very good for songs with a strong focus on lyrics or emotional moments because it creates a visual story that plays alongside your music. Again, you can choose from OpenArt's pre-made characters or upload your own. For this example, I'll use Annie again to maintain consistency across our videos. The key difference is in the story that your song is trying to tell. Now I'm going to use a trick I learned where you can paste your lyrics into ChatGPT and ask it to create a story description for you. I'll simply say, in 500 characters or less, describe a storyline that this song follows so that I can use that to make a music video and then paste in my lyrics. This saves me time and often gives me creative ideas I wouldn't have thought of myself. Now I'm going to copy this output and paste it in the right storyline text box, but keep in mind, while this step is optional, I suggest doing it for better results. What I really like about this mode is how it turns your song's ideas into real scenes. For example, if your lyrics say chasing dreams, the AI doesn't just show someone thinking about their goals. It might show your character actually running through different places, reaching for bright lights, or climbing a mountain toward a glowing peak. It takes that idea of chasing your dreams and shows it visually, turning emotions like hope and determination into something you can actually see. The aspect ratio should be 16:9 again, and I recommend keeping one-take style turned off unless you want a very artistic, experimental look, since it creates a single continuous shot, which can be useful but limits the variety of scenes and camera angles. Click Preview Storyboard to see how it interprets your story, then make any adjustments before generating the full video. The visualizer mode is next, and it's perfect for electronic music, ambient tracks, or any time you want visuals that match your audio. I'll show you how beautiful these visuals look when we look at the results, but generally it's a great option for music that doesn't need a storyline or characters. Click on Visualizer and upload your track. You can choose different visual styles from rock haze to vaporwave to psychedelic. This system analyzes your audio and creates visuals that move in sync with the beat and melody. For electronic tracks, the EDM style gives a bold, high-energy look with vibrant motion that hits every beat. For softer or more natural songs, the city pop style creates a polished, colorful vibe that feels smooth and expressive. The great thing about visualizers is they work with any genre of music and create stunning content that's perfect for background visuals or social media posts. You can use these for Instagram stories, YouTube backgrounds, and even as visual elements in live performances. They're also perfect for instrumental tracks since you don't have a character or narrative to focus on. Finally, we have the lyrics video mode, and this one is pretty clear about what it does. It creates those popular lyric videos you see all over social media. Upload your audio file and the system will auto-detect your lyrics, or you can input them manually later in the preview section. The auto-detection is surprisingly accurate, but I always double-check to make sure everything is correct, because typos in lyrics videos look really unprofessional. In the preview section, you can choose different text styles, animations, and background visuals that complement your lyrics. You can quickly test how everything looks with your music, switching between patterns, landscapes, and other environments to match the mood of your song before generating the full video. This is incredibly useful for promoting new songs or just helping people learn your lyrics. Lyric videos consistently get high engagement on social media because people love singing along and sharing their favorite lines. Now let's look at the results from each mode.
Mirror ball spinning on the spark, lighting
So now you know how to create professional music videos using just one prompt. And with OpenArt's 4 different modes, you can create everything from realistic singing performances to abstract visualizers, all in the same platform. If you want to start creating your own music videos, click the link in the description to try OpenArt yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.